Let's make peanut butter cup fudge. Add 2 cups of white granulated sugar and a half cup of half and half or whole milk to a medium pot. Set burner to medium-low heat and bring the mixture to a boil while stirring. Once it boils, allow it to boil for about 2 minutes. Then remove it from the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir that in. Then add 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter and stir that in until the peanut butter completely melts and the mixture thickens. Pour it into an 8x8 inch or 7x11 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Spread it out evenly with a spatula. Then pour 1 cup of chocolate chips or chopped chocolate bars on top, making sure it is evenly distributed. Let sit for about 5 minutes. Spread the melted chocolate out with a spatula. Alternatively, just melt the chocolate first and then pour it on top and spread it out. Chill in the fridge until set, about 1 to 2 hours. Remove it from the pan and then slice it into little squares. It should make 48 to 54 pieces or servings, depending on the size you make the squares. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.